Have you lost out on a couple homes? Here's a little trick you can use. So you're buying a house, you get your contract in, you're going to be putting a deposit down on that home with the contract known as earnest money. Earnest money shows the seller that you're serious, they can get into contract with you and take the home off the market, and you're going to proceed and buy their house. Right now, how it states in the Illinois contract is that if for some reason with one of these contingencies don't happen, you're going to get your earnest money refunded back to you as long as the buyer and seller agree. But here's one way to make your buyer's offer stand out. Let's assure the seller that we're going to close on this house. You get into contract with us, we are going to see it to the end. We have an addendum made that we can attach with the contract, assuring the seller that we're going through to the end. This is a non-refundable earnest money addendum. This earnest money addendum is letting the sellers know that no matter what happens, if you take your home off the market and you get into contract with me, you're going to keep my earnest money and I will never get that back. However, it is your money, so when you do go to closing, it will be credited towards you, towards the purchase. Hey, I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Give us a call today and we'll show you all of these tools that we have to help you win in a tough market.